Well, it was back in 2009, 10. My family owns a water company. My sister and my brother-in-law own Crystal Water, and my brother and I own Finke Distribution. And we had a lot of open space in our distribution center. So we just start talking, and a good friend of mine from Austin, Texas, was in the vodka business, and it's not Tito's. And we decided that vodka would be a great way to get back into business, to make sure that the Finke company and Crystal Water all survived. It was just tough up there. So we decided to launch Buckeye Vodka, and we didn't know what to call it initially. The bottle, you have to do a lot of prep things, obviously. We thought that we could make an ultra premium vodka at a really, really good price. And with all the awards we have, How Distiller of the Year, gold medals, we just felt that if we could keep that price point for a $750 under $20, it would just take off, and that's why we did it.